Hey guys, we are going to be opening completely sealed trash pack. So I just got this. Oh, that was nice. Now we're going to get it open. Wow, that's quite easy. Open. Let's see the one first. Got a checklist. I'll give that to you after I've used the game. Let's see. We got, which one should I do first? Come on, Ben, I'm not going to answer you. Here's the first one. Yay! Yay! You can see. It's an orange trash can. Let's show how this little guy. Here's a little guy. I can stuff him. Something. I'm going to check his name. I'm going to read you a checklist right now. So the things that they have the bin sets, the bin critters, bin monsters, Oscar trash. They have the grubs and hard rubbish. Now I think that's their pictures in the hard rubbish. Yes. Septics. These are common. These are 223 septics. Right here. So now I'm going to show you guys right there. He's a rare yuck duck. 305. I don't know. I just really want that one, so I'm just going to show you him. Because I really want him, so I wish I'd get him. I just want to show you that. But now let's do the last one. Who did we get? I think we got Yuck Duck. Well, now you know all about Yuck Duck. Yay! Because I got Yuck Duck. Yuck Duck was one of the ones I wanted. I don't know. Alright. So this could be a toilet seat. That's really like a cushion for the toilet. And goes and sits in the toilet and goes to the bathroom. See? Going to the bathroom. But anyway, hope you like this video. Goodbye. Peace out.